Good afternoon, dear students. Today you are going to learn motion in a straight line. Introduction. First you have to know what is mechanics. So mechanics is the study of objects in motion. Study of objects in motion is known as mechanics. So different branches of mechanics. Statics, kinematics, and dynamics. So these are the different branches of mechanics. What is statics? Statics means it is the study of objects at rest. Study of objects at rest, that is known as statics. For example, a book or a body on the table. A book or a body on the table, then it's a study of object at rest, that is known as statics. What is kinematics? So kinematics is the study of objects in motion without considering cause of motion. That is known as kinematics. Study of objects in motion without considering cause of motion. For example, moving train. And also moving water in a river. That is also another example of kinematics. Next, what is dynamics? So dynamics means here it is the study of objects in motion. With considering cause of motion. cause of motion. Known as dynamics. So dynamics is the study of objects in motion with considering cause of motion. For example, aeroplane. Aeroplane. So it is the cause of thrust of air. And also another example, weight lifted by a man. Weight lifted by a man. So that is also another example of dynamics. Now you have to know the rest and motion. First, rest. What is rest? Let us suppose a body is at rest. A body is at rest. A body is at rest on another surface. If it does not change its position with respect to surroundings, then it is said to be at rest. So what is rest? If a body does not change its position with respect to its surroundings with time, that is known as, then it is said to be at rest. For example, a book on the table. A book on the table. That is the example for rest. What about motion? You observe here, if a body changes its position with respect to its surroundings with time, then the body is said to be in motion. That means here, when a body is moving along the road, if it changes its position with respect to its surroundings with the time, then this body is said to be in motion. Example, moving train. Moving train, and also moving water in a river. So do you understand? So what is rest and what is motion? So you observe rest and motion are relative. Do you know rest and motion are relative? You observe here. So you observe here a passenger or person sitting in a moving train is at rest with respect to co-passengers. He is in motion. He is in motion. He is in motion outside the objects. So that's why rest and motion are relative. Listen once again. A person or a passenger sitting in a moving train is at rest with respect to his co-passengers. He is in motion with respect to outside the objects. Hence, rest and motion are relative. Next. So you have to know motion is in one dimension, motion is in two dimension, motion is in three dimensions. You observe one dimension, two dimension, three dimension. Motion in one dimension, motion in two dimension, motion in three dimension. You observe what is one dimensional motion? One dimensional motion. You observe motion of body. You observe here. So you observe motion of a body along a straight line is known as one dimensional motion. Motion of a body along a straight line. So that is known as one dimensional motion. For example, motion of a train along straight track, along straight track. And another example, motion of a freely falling body. Motion of a freely falling body. Freely falling body. Like this. Motion of a freely falling body. So these are the examples for one-dimensional motion. So what about two-dimensional motion? Two-dimensional motion. You observe, this one is x-axis, this one is y-axis. So when a body is moving along a curved path, you observe here, two-dimensional motion means here two-dimensional motion means here motion of your body in a plane. Motion of your body in a plane. Motion of your body in a plane. So motion of your body in a plane is known as two-dimensional motion. So motion of your body in a plane, motion of your body in a plane is known as two-dimensional motion. That is two-dimensional motion. What about three-dimensional motion? Here you have to know the example for two-dimensional motion. Motion of a car. Motion of a car along a curved path. Motion of a car along a curved path. And another example, motion of the planets around the sun. Motion of the planets around the sun. And what about three-dimensional motion? Three-dimensional motion. So you observe x-axis, y-axis. So this one is z-axis. You observe. You observe. So here motion of your body in a space